Hey you guys, it's Angela of Earrings by Angela. I just wanted to give you a quick explanation of the difference between an eye pin and a head pin. So here in my hand, I'm holding an eye pin. And I say that this right here reminds me of a comma. And I say that because when you're writing, a comma means that you have more to say, right? And so we have the option of doing more with this. You can hang dangles from the bottom. You can add little pendants. You can add chain, anything that you want and your heart desires, right? To make your jewelry projects more interesting and whatnot. So that's eye pin. You can add things to it. Now, the head pin looks like a nail. And I would call this a period because it means stop. Once you slide that bead on there, you can't add nails to the bottom. So you got to really be committed. This is like a commitment project. So there are other head pins that do not have this flat bottom. They may have swirls or hearts, or how about you can create your own? And I will tag the video for that. There is a video where I teach you how to make your own head pins. So I'll put that in the description. But so far, that is the difference between the head pin and the eye pin. And let me just cut this off because I want to show you. I had to make this because I was like, I don't have eye pins that I know of. I have a bunch of stuff in the basement, but I'm not going down there to look for it. What you do is you simply grab the end of the wire, roll it like that. So you have that loop, but that doesn't look all that great. You got to break the neck. So you want to insert your thing and watch this. Just like that. Just broke the neck. And that's how you do it. So that's an eye pin. So if you want to save your money and make your own eye pins, you can do that. I want to straighten this up a little bit. I want a bigger crook in my neck. There you go. Yeah. And that's how you make an eye pin, okay? So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful. And any questions or comments that you want to make, do that. Say hello. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you're not already part of the EBA family. And for the rest of y'all, peace and blessings. I'll see you in the next video.